Are you looking? Welding machines are essential tools for professionals and hobbyists alike, enabling the creation of strong, reliable bonds across a variety of metals. Whether you're working on automotive repairs, home DIY projects, or industrial fabrication, choosing the right welder can make or break the quality of your work. This review compares 5 popular welders across a range of prices, $103.99 to $379, to help consumers make informed decisions.
List number: Yes Welder 135 Amp MIG Welder. The Yes Welder 135 Amp MIG Welder is a versatile and budget-friendly option that offers 3-in-1 welding capabilities: gasless flux core MIG, stick, and lift TIG. Its compact design and lightweight build, 11.4 pounds, make it highly portable, while its digital display and synergic control system simplify operation for both novices and professionals. With a robust 135 amp output, it handles mild steel up to 2/5 inch thick, making it suitable for small to medium scale projects. Additionally, it comes with bonus flux core welding wire, eliminating the need for shielding gas and enabling all-position welding. In testing, the Yes Welder Flux 135 Pro performed admirably in terms of arc stability and weld quality. Its synergic control system was particularly useful for beginners, as it automatically adjusted voltage based on wire feeding speed. However, professionals may find the manual adjustment slightly limited compared to higher-end models. The compact size makes it ideal for mobile welders or smaller workshops, though it struggles with heavier-duty applications. Overall, it's an excellent entry-level machine with solid safety features like overcurrent and overheating protection. List number: Yes Welder MIG 205 DS Pro MIG Welder. The Yes Welder MIG 205 DS Pro MIG Welder is a premium multi-purpose machine with 5-in-1 capabilities, including gas MIG, flux core MIG, spool gun MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding. With a powerful 200 amp output and dual voltage support, 110 volts, 220 volts, it's designed for versatility across various materials such as steel, aluminum, and stainless steel. Its digital display and synergic MIG functionality make it beginner-friendly, while manual MIG controls cater to seasoned welders. Weighing 35.8 pounds, it's less portable, but offers exceptional performance for demanding projects. During testing, the MIG 205 DS Pro excelled in welding thicker materials and aluminum, thanks to its spool gun compatibility. The synergic MIG feature works seamlessly to adjust voltage and wire feeding speed, ensuring consistent welds with minimal spatter. Professionals will appreciate the manual controls for fine-tuning parameters, though beginners may find the added complexity challenging. The machine's safety features, including automatic voltage compensation and overheat protection, were robust. While its price is the highest in this comparison, it delivers unmatched versatility and power for advanced applications. List 3. Lincoln Electric FC90 Flux Core Wire Feed Welder. The Lincoln Electric FC90 is a compact, inverter-based welder designed for small welding tasks. With a 90 amp output and 120 V input power, it's ideal for DIY enthusiasts and hobbyists. Its lightweight design and included shoulder strap make it portable, while the infinite voltage adjustment allows fine-tuning of weld characteristics. This machine is best suited for flux cored wire welding, eliminating the need for shielding gas. In practice, the FC90 performed well for light-duty applications, producing smooth welds with minimal spatter. The inverter power source provided efficient operation and consistent arc stability. However, its limited power output restricts its use to thinner materials, making it unsuitable for heavy-duty projects. The thermal protection system is a standout feature, ensuring safe operation during extended use. Overall, the FC90 is a reliable choice for small-scale welding tasks, but lacks the versatility of multi-purpose models. List number: Best MIG 135A Welder 3-in-1 Welding Machine. Supports MIG 110V welding machine with IGBT inverter LED digital display. MIG lift TIG stick capabilities.
Red-black. The best MIG 135A welder is a powerful 3-in-1 machine offering MIG, lift, take, and stick welding capabilities. With a true 135A output, it can weld materials up to 1/8 inch thick. This welder stands out for its comprehensive accessory kit, which includes a ground clamp, electrode holder, welding gun, auto-darkening helmet, and gloves. Its digital display and automatic parameter adjustment make it beginner-friendly, while its robust build ensures durability. During testing, the best MIG 135A delivered consistent results across various materials, including stainless steel and carbon steel. The automatic adjustment system simplified setup, though professionals may find the lack of manual controls limiting. The included accessories, particularly the auto-darkening helmet, added significant value. While its performance is solid for small to medium projects, the machine struggled with thicker materials. Overall, it's a great option for beginners and casual users seeking an all-in-one solution.
List 5. Saker Portable Electric Welding Machine. The Saker Portable Electric Welding Machine is a budget-friendly handheld welder with IGBT inverter technology. Its compact design, 3.3 pounds, and adjustable 20 to 120 amp output make it suitable for small-scale welding tasks. The machine supports multiple rod sizes, 3/32 to 1/8, offering versatility for various applications. Its intelligent heat dissipation system ensures safe operation during extended use. In testing, the Saker welder proved effective for quick repairs and lightweight projects. Its portability is unmatched, allowing one-handed operation and easy storage. However, its limited power output and lack of advanced features restrict its use to basic tasks. Beginners will appreciate the automatic current adjustment, but professionals may find it underpowered for demanding applications. Overall, it's a solid entry-level option for casual users.